Wix Quickbooks Connector tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your Wix website or your Wix account within QuickBooks. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com and then we're going to sign in within an account for the creation of websites, and after that we're going to find the sites dashboard. As usual, select the website that you want to connect and then you're going to find the dashboard of it. So once we have did that, we're going to click on edit site or design site on the setup or the home page, and we're going to find our website ready. We need to open up the website because installing an app is going to be crucial on the website editor. So we're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on add apps. From here, we are going to choose from the app market. We're going to click on the search bar and type in QuickBooks. And we're going to have QuickBooks Connector. As you can see, this is it. So basically, QuickBooks is going to allow you to set up a lot of things like the accounting and also the management of the finances into your platform on Wix. Maybe the Wix system is not going to be that, let's say, reliable, but QuickBooks is going to be the better solution for that. So if you're going to sell something or having some sale data and information, QuickBooks is going to be here. So we are going to click on add to site. We're going to click on agree and add, and we're going to see the app installed. So once you're going to accept, as you can see here, the cookies, you're going to install or connect your account. So I think that I have created an account within this platform. So I'm going to head over here. We're going to see and connect. For example, I'm going to enter up the verification code. So it is normally going to be something that we need. So here we have, I have received the code. We're going to be putting it like that. Continue, and we're going to find it right away. So we're going to here try the password again. For example, let's see if we're going to connect it. So I have connected finally my account after a few attempts. I don't know why, but the authentication with the SMS is garbage, so it is not going to trust it. So basically we have set up the thing here. So we have completed, as you can see, the connection. We are going to open the QuickBook installation right now, and it is going to be from here. Basically, we are going to get back to our dashboard, and we are going to have it here. So we are going to connect. It is going to be having the connector on your dashboard. So basically, we have set up the link. It is going to be a little bit of a crazy work, but it is at the end is going to be crucial. So with that, we have created our QuickBook. So we are going to head over the Manage App, and you're going to find your QuickBook. Now, in our case, we're going to refresh the dashboard, and the refreshing is going to show us here the QuickBook apps. So you're going to find it under here, the apps, QuickBooks Connector, and it is going to be setting up everything. So basically that was pretty much it for this one. As you can see, if you're going to have the connection, as you can see, you're going to head over here, find apps. We're going to type in Wix. If it doesn't matter, I'm going to install the Wix connector. So it is going to set up the app. I think that we have failed to connect it from Wix. I don't know why, but we're going to find it here. So we're going to find that it is going to need Wix. For a moment, I don't know why it is not going to be connecting, but it is okay. So that was how you can go ahead and connect the app correctly. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.